Hello friends, today I am going to explain about decentralized network. What is decentralized network? You might have used the internet for various purposes in your day-to-day life. See, we see it, our all data, communications, files, all goes to server, company servers, government servers. Then after it reaches to our recipients. So what is decentralized concept? There are not any server involved in any communication. It directly goes to the recipient. Whatever messages, files, whatever you do in the internet. So you use the internet in anonymous way. Okay. You can use your internet securely, privately. No companies can monetize your data. No government surveillance. No one can monitor you. So this is a purely decentralized concept. You might have heard about blockchain technology. So basically today we are going to show you the software which provide the decentralized network to use the internet in different way. The name is Utopia. Utopia is P2P ecosystem where you can chat, email, send messages, files, use map, use browser, register websites, and many more things you can do. It is decentralized network. So you can maintain your privacy. You do everything anonymously. This product is going to be launched the same month. So today I will overview about all features of the Utopia. There are various features. Let's start. First of all, let's start with the email. Okay, this is a dashboard. After installing the Utopia, you will be redirected to desktop. It is a desktop software for Linux, Mac, and Windows OS. So you can do everything with the email. Okay. You can only send emails to Utopia network, not any other networks like Gmail or any other network. This is the feature of Utopia network. You can send a message to your contacts, email to your contacts, attach a file, everything you can do as you do in your common email messages. So this is the email feature. Now let's see this. Look at this. This is a U-wallet. Utopia has its own currency called CRP, kryptons. Okay. It provides the feature to mine the kryptons. Mining feature here. Look at this. What is the important thing we hold here? That whenever you be online in Utopia network, okay, it automatically starts mining the kryptons. No technical knowledge needed. Okay, it automatically starts and gives you rewards within 15 minutes. All your kryptons, mined kryptons, are stored in your U-wallet. Here, look at this. You can send kryptons to any your contacts in Utopia network. Request kryptons. See, like this. Public key is the important part of the Utopia network. It is your identity. Your public key is your identity. Okay. So, like mining, it automatically mines. So you don't need to do anything to start mining. Okay. Yes, of course you can disable mining. Of course you see, it's now disabled. Enabled, disabled. You can easily. So now you can also create a mining boards from here. We have posted other videos regarding how to create or launch mining boards to give power to your krypton mining and mine much and more kryptons. Okay. So this feature is also over here. You can create your vouchers, send kryptons, crypto cards. You can create your card also. In future it will be very beneficial. You can request krypton to anyone. This is mining. Now let's come to channels. Channels is nothing but a group. This is a group. See, various countries. All countries have their own groups. India. Okay. You can join any channel for messages. For example, this is one channel. You can message in channel. It's secure and private. Okay. Even you can create your channels too. Like this. Create a channel. Okay. And invite the people to your channel. It shows your join channel, bookmark channels, search channel. You can search the channel. This channel means simple group message. Now let's go to UNS manager. This is an interesting feature. You can add your ENS. Like there is a DNS name. You might have heard about DNS, domain name system. Same like this is a UNS, Utopia name system. Okay, so you can register your website over here. mysite.net. You can use this name as your domain name. Simple, it's free forever. And with the packet forwarding feature, you can host it like in your own computer, or if you have a website already registered over in any server, you can migrate it in Utopia network. It's a free. Utopia don't charge anything. So this is simple website registration and hosting feature, UNS and packet forwarding. There are several videos for these features in Google. You can find it. Now go to the next mining boards. I have explained. It's game. Yes, Utopia is a logical software, so definitely there is a game also to provide chess game to play with your contacts. Simply select your contact, send invitation, and once your invitation accepted, you start playing chess with your contact. Also there is a map. See, this is an interesting feature. It is not like a common map, secure map of course, but you can find a groups, channels from this map. Okay, let's see how. If you type India and enter, see, you will see all channels created in India. See? You can join any channel, any country. So the next feature is ID browser. You can open any Utopia network site. It will not allow you to open any other websites in Utopia browser. Browser is inbuilt in the software. You can use it. These are the common settings. You can change your screen, theme, anything. All settings are here. Okay. There is one help also. It opens all features help. Okay. read the help too. Internet message, private message. You can chat with your private contacts also, like this. Also it has the voice message feature, burst feature, file say, like this voice message. You can record your voice, you can change your voice from here. See, stop, enter and send. Your voice message sent. See, this is amazing feature. You can send emojis, you can send stickers. Fantastic. You can search messages, everything. It is a private message feature. You may have contact. You can maintain your address book, contacts, save contacts. You can search chat histories, bookmarks, and this is my profile section. You can change your avatar. This is your public key. You can send your public key to anyone to get joined with anyone. This is your username. Okay, of course, this is your nickname. So it is purely private and secure network. So many features are available over here in Utopia software. There is a link given in the description section. Just download, install and use internet in different way. Securely, privacy based, no surveillance, no monitor of any company's governments. Use internet with your freedom. It's your basic human right. Thank you.